Today we will be showing you how to install a Helios by IPS payment system. In this demonstration we will be converting a coin store. We will begin with how to install a IPS reader on a washer and dryer. Step 1 will begin with removing the power to the machine. Then remove the old hardware including the coin box for the last time. Then remove the coin drop by unscrewing and disconnecting the coin drop cables. Now install the cover plate where the coin drop was previously located. Move to step 2. Install the power supply by connecting the leads to the machine power block. One lead will connect to positive and one to neutral. Either lead can connect to power or neutral. There is only a small difference between the washer and dryer installation, and that is that the dryer cable is longer and must be ran through the dryer and properly secured to existing clips out of harm's way. Now move to step 3. Prepare the bracket wings for mounting the reader by bending them out, and then take communication cable up through the vault into the appropriate port on the machine computer board. Step 4. Connect the leads onto the IPS reader with black connecting to the ground and red connecting to the positive. Step 5. Push bracket into the vault until you hear it snap into place. Step 6. Using a drill with the force set to 3 and with a T15 drill bit, begin tightening the reader onto the machine. Alternate screws as you drill so the screws go in evenly. Step 7. Add the reader decal and install is complete. You can now power on the machine. And now we will look at the terminal installation. Begin by installing the terminal into the 30.5 inch by 17.5 inch opening that should be prepared before installation day. Now we will simply plug the power cable into the 120 volt power outlet and run the internet cables to the router. Then open the access door and turn on the battery and computer by pressing the power buttons for 4 seconds each. Allow the terminal 3 to 5 minutes to start up, then follow the on-screen directions. The terminal on the left will be identified as terminal number 1. The terminal on the right will be identified as terminal number 2. All configuration is done by IPS prior to the customer receiving their system. Each reader is labeled to the machine ID on the shipping box as well as on the IPS reader itself. Make sure to place the reader on the appropriate machine that matches the number ID on the reader. Helios was designed to be plug and play. Call IPS for any assistance. Thank you for choosing Helios by IPS.